laugh when I lose money. I lost some money today. I'm going to show you. I broke my rule in earnings. My number one rule in earnings is sell on that first candle. Don't get greedy. I leave so much money on the table because usually I get out on that first candle and it just keeps going. And I've left $1,000 on the table many times. And I just take that small base hit. I was so determined that Marvel was going to go up that I was up $160, and then I saw it slowly go down, and I just kept I kept saying, no, 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 it's going to go up. No. That whole 2 days of driving, when I'm commuting 5 hours round trip each day, and I spent 2 days of my driving this week listening to Tom Hougart's book, Best Loser Wins, and I go, yeah, I got this. No, when you're losing, you get out, stupid. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to show you how you really should. I'm not saying you have to. I by no means am a financial advisor. Oh God, do not take my advice, because those of you who are making really good money probably trade earnings better than me, and you just let it go. Okay. I just gotta say, if I would have just taken that first green candle, it would have been good. So I'm going to show you guys that and why I think you should get out on the first green candle instead of holding it. But please let me know in the comments if you do otherwise, because someone may have to start giving me lessons. All right, 1 step forward, 2 steps back. This whole summer has just felt like forward, back, forward, back. Okay, I traded 8 stocks today. I actually was green on most of them. I just couldn't get my shit together on Marvel earnings, and Iron I lost. Oh, I lost on Iron because there was a spider. Oh God, there was a spider on the wall. You guys, it was the size of a piece of pepper, it was so tiny, and it was just a baby, and I wanted to save it, and I'm in 3 trades all at the same time at earnings, 3 screens, all going red, and I looked up above the monitor, and there's this little baby spider trying to crawl out the wall, and I said, oh no, I'm gonna lose money, I gotta save him. So I took a piece of paper, and I'm trying to scoop him up, and he's so tiny, he just fell somewhere on my desk, and so I look over, and I'm red on all 3 trades. So one of them came back. I'll show you. Okay, let's go take a look at it. All right, guys, let's get this going. Let's start with Palantir. Palantir, look at this. I made $17.05. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed. You guys, I'm truly embarrassed. I have been doing so good for a year. I feel like there's so many times in this last year where I feel like my computer is an ATM machine. And it has not been the ATM machine that it has normally been. It's a struggle. So I can't even tell you what I did wrong here. When you look at a chart after you've traded it, it looks so simple. Look at this. Just take this straight up, woman, and then take the pullback. What in the hell was I thinking? I don't know, but I made $17. It's just stupid. I mean, every trade was green on this. Literally every trade was green. I'm just not holding them long enough. I'm just getting out for pennies. So because of that book I read by Tom Hougart, what he says is, add to it and keep going. So I was trying that today, but I just didn't make that much money. Okay, I can't tell you what I did wrong here. I didn't do anything wrong. Everything was green, every single trade. I just didn't hold them long enough. Okay, let's move on to Nvidia. Nvidia was horrible. I was up, then down, up, down, up, down. It was 1 step forward, 2 steps back. Oh my God, this is so embarrassing. Look at this. This is not like me. I mean, I'm not trading this much normally. This is silly. I can't even show you this. For $27.81, you guys just turn this thing off and go get a beer. We're not even going to look at that. I don't even know what I did wrong. I can't even teach you anything on this because it was horrible. You don't want to do what I did. Oh, let's do Marvel. Oh, this is a good one. I lost $41.70. Okay, on Marvel, you guys, I was actually... I was same thing, up, down, up $10, down $10. It was just, I don't know what my problem was all day today. I mean, this one really did it at the end because I was actually right at earnings. I was up, oh God, I was up $5.42. Woo, let's just go straight to earnings. Let's move this puppy over. Let's get to the good stuff. Oh, right here. Here we go. Yeah.
Let's watch how horrible this was. You guys, this is how earnings can really be shitty. Okay, I was scalping in and out here as it was coming down. I was kind of shorting it and just for pennies. And I was actually green right here. And this is where it all went to hell. Okay, I had finally gotten up to about only $8 right here positive. Here you go. Okay, I get in for 25 shares. I thought I had more. I was only in for 25 shares here. I scaled in, just very small share size. And right here, you guys, I was actually up a lot. It was over $100, I remember, because I had been up a little bit before too. And this is the candle I always get out on, but they had not announced. It only said Marvel announces earnings is all the news said, but it didn't say whether they beat or not. And right here, it started coming down. I always get out on this candle. Right when it comes down, I just get out. But no, I got out 5 shares. I got out 5. And it's slowly, well, it says I got out more than that. Oh, I got out 5. God, look, it couldn't even, I get out for 5 and it sold me at a -1 and -4. It couldn't even fill me 5 shares. That's pathetic. Okay, I get out 5 here. It goes down. I go, oh, damn. I get out 5 more. Then on this candle, 5 more, 5 more. And finally the 5 here. So the whole way I'm going, no, it's going to come back. No, it's not. I'm out. No, it's not. I'm out. Anyways, at least, at least I didn't let it go too far down. So 41.70. You guys, I swear, if you just don't get greedy and you just take the first candle, almost always it pops and then drops. If it's going to drop, it pops first. Not always. I'm not a financial advisor today. No way. I never am. Okay, Meta. Meta had news this morning. I can't remember what it was. If it was that bad news, I can't remember. Shoot. It was bad news yesterday, so maybe it was just continuation. I can't remember now. Anyways, I don't want to go back and look. I did $30.50 and it was just this right here. That's not bad. Yeah, that was it. 25 shares, very low share size, just in and out. And I had no, let's see, Meta. No, I was at only 63 cents on this first one because I only caught a couple pennies, and then $22, then the $30.50. So that was 3 good green trades on that. We're going to leave Iron. Well, no, might as well do Iron. Let's just take the Band-Aid off. Here's another loser. What a loser. My God. Okay, this is when I found the spider on the wall. I was in all the earnings trades. I had one on every screen, saw the spider on the wall, and I had to make a choice, save the spider or save my trades. I will always save the animal. I have to always save the animal. This has happened before when I see even a little gnat or a little fly on my computer screen. I will walk away from a trade and go take it downstairs outside where it can live. So $12.84, Iron. I don't even know. I just remember it was red. I was green a little bit at one point and I held it, and then it was red, and then the spider, and then I said, forget it. So Iron was bad. Now let's go to Affirm, because Affirm was also earnings. The spider was on the wall. I was losing, but I decided because I was only in for 10 shares, I took 5 shares here and 5 shares here. I got in right after earnings, or right after the bell. The closing bell is right here. So I get in 5, then I get in another 5. And as it comes up, I get it. I didn't get out. Actually, here's the thing. It came down and I was red. This is where the spider came into play. And I thought, oh, screw it. It's only 10 shares. I'll just hold it till the morning and I'll either take the loss tomorrow or take the gain. Well, eventually I ended up looking over here and I was up $9.51 and I just took it. Now, of course, it's going to keep going. So stupid. But I mean, look at this. It just took forever and they had earnings and they beat, but it didn't do anything through all of this. And then it comes up and just dumps, and it even gapped down right here. And there was no volume. And now it comes up. It was hard to play. You guys, this summer is hard. Okay, let's go do CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike, I did $24. I didn't overtrade it. This was actually good. It was right at the beginning. And I just did right here. It comes up, it pulls back, and it doesn't even pull back. This is the kind of pullback I like, when it pulls across. Just some consolidation, because it's either going to dump, but it'll dump big, or it goes up big. And it did. I did not catch that right there, but I did make 24.13. And of course, traded it just a tad bit over. I came back again and just captured a real quick scalp right here of 100 shares and made 24.13. So I was fine with that. Okay, let's go to CRM. This was continuation from yesterday's earnings, and this is the last one. I made $44 on this. So I traded this after I had traded CrowdStrike. And this was it, just pullbacks, going up and just pulling back and going up. That was it, pullbacks off the 9. And we never even dipped deep past the 9. It was perfect. That was easy trading, 44.01. I probably should have done a little higher share size and taken advantage of it, but we did have kind of lower than average volume, so I didn't want to go too high a share size on that. Okay, guys, I think I caught them all. That was only not, oh my God, how embarrassing. Only $98.47. Please let me know how you did today. Please let me know what you're trading. Is there anything out there you're trading? How are you feeling this summer? I think we only have maybe 2 weeks left till after Labor Day, and maybe things will get back to normal. So I'm going to try to just play it cool and not do anything too crazy, hopefully, and just keep my head above water. Okay, guys, let me know how you did. Talk to you later. Bye.